Can people buy your Amazon products through ChatGPT? That's a very interesting question. I think in 2025, people thought that ChatGPT and Amazon didn't get along, but that's not true. I'm going to share you a screen real soon where you can see ChatGPT is recommending products on Amazon. And actually, as an Amazon software developer, I know that ChatGPT searches inside of Amazon. But then there's also another layer. What about Rufus? How do you get your products recommended by Rufus? Does this kind of mean we're leaving the keyword era where you want to optimize your listings with keywords? So let's jump down this rabbit hole of what does ChatGPT actually look for and how can you get your products recommended, say in your category. And yeah, let's run. All right, so here is a source of one of the AI visibility tools called Profound. I've used it, actually enjoyed it. It's pretty cool. But what does ChatGPT use when it's building its body of data, when it's giving research, when it's giving answers? And interestingly enough, Wikipedia is just one of the top cited sources. And then you have Reddit, Forbes, G2, Tech Radar. This is interesting. I could tell the types of queries that they're using because these are all tech and business related websites. I show this not to just like, you don't have to get on Wikipedia. There's so many other ways because your product, your mix is so different, and Amazon shopper intent is a little bit differently. But just wanted to show that its high authority websites kind of win out. ChatGPT actually sometimes searches on Google. So whatever like Google's paying attention to, and Google pays attention to high trustworthy websites like mainstream journalist sites like as we see here, Business Insider, New York Post, NerdWallet, Forbes, but then also like social websites like Reddit. So if you get your product mentioned in those, you're going to do better. I've seen this. I have moved my own brand from being 9th mentioned in its category to the 3rd. And all I did was increase mentions here. So yeah, let's just like hit this. Let's say someone types in, I want to buy the best creatine. The first link is an Amazon link, buy Thorn creatine. So ChatGPT absolutely is aware of Amazon and does searches inside of it. I've got proof. We've been in the API. We've developed, and I'll show you some cool visibility stuff on that. So how is visibility like measured? Right now, we're kind of entering this era where this is Scrunch AI. I've used like 10 different tools. How they are measuring visibility in AI tools. And really, they just like smash a ton of prompts and get a bunch of answers. And they probably do this like, 10, 20, 30 times a day. Sometimes even more depending on it. And then they score, be like, hey, this percent of the time you're mentioned. So my product is Smart Scout, and we're here in 3rd place. We are behind in terms of visibility of these other tools. But I've actually created an AI visibility tool for Amazon products. So we can tell you, I've ran it for this days, a product that we're paying attention to in the it's like a neon football, and that it is visible 20%, 30%, 50% of the time, and so we're measuring just Amazon impressions. So this is just for Amazon professionals, whether you're a brand or a private label seller. You'll find a lot of value in this, or maybe you're a brand manager and you're for an agency. We score all the top products and their mention rate. We we also score brands. So whether your brand is, I don't even know those, Tom Lee, these must be a bunch of Chinese brands. But what I really wanted to show off is the citations. So for all these searches, ChatGPT gives us how they're coming up with their responses, what product pages they're looking at on Amazon, what product pages are they looking off of Amazon. Here's 15 glow in the dark sports balls. You are more likely to get mentioned by Amazon, by ChatGPT, if they deeply understand your product. So when it comes to like Amazon AI visibility, this is kind of the only solution that I've been aware of, and it's something like I'm like passionate about. And so if you have any questions, if this is March 2026, chances are by the time you're seeing this, we've made progress and this is further along and it's a better tool. So yeah, I think about this a lot because I use ChatGPT all the time, and I just kind of feel like I know that we're leaving this like keyword era where people are mentioning, like people are just trying to stuff with keywords when ChatGPT and Rufus deeply understand your products, and you kind of need to explain your content a little bit more clearly, different use cases, and yeah, that's the space. Thanks for checking in. I hope this helps your Amazon business, and there we go.